Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I will show you how to close a frozen game or software application on Windows 11 when nothing else works. Let's get started. If your game or program is completely frozen and you can't close it using Alt plus F4 key or even open the task manager properly, don't worry. There is an easy workaround using Windows 11's virtual desktop. First, press the Windows plus Tab keys on your keyboard. This will open the text view. At the bottom of the screen, click New Desktop to create a second virtual desktop. Or find the frozen game or app in the list of open windows. Right-click the game or app and select Move to. Then choose New Desktop or Desktop 2. Next, switch back to Desktop 1. You will now have access to your normal desktop without the frozen game blocking your screen. Right-click on the text bar and select the Task Manager. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find the frozen game or app. Right-click it, then click End Tasks. Wait a few seconds while Windows closes the program or game. Once it's closed, you can launch the game or program again normally. If the game or software still doesn't close, restart your computer as a last resort. And that's it. You have successfully closed a frozen game or program on Windows 11 without restarting your PC in most cases. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.